Hello everybody. Today we're going to be talking about two sounds that are very similar, but it's very important that we understand that they are not the same. If you hear the words yet and jet, you will hear that there's a difference in the first phoneme. Remember in last Monday's class, we were talking about phonemes. In this case, we're talking about this sound and this sound. Don't be confused in the slides. If you see the letter J with like this, if you see it's because we're representing this sound, okay, between the brackets and between the two slashes, we will see one letter that J is representing the sound in this word, and between these two slashes we have this D, and this letter like it's numbered like a 3 represents the sound of the letter J in this case. Okay, to make this very easy, the Y sound in English is always like eh. So we're going to say yet. But with the J is very different because we're gonna have like an explosion at the beginning of the sound. Jet. Gonna have like an explosion in your mouth. So if you want a different example, okay, the sound of the Y, it's like when you say hielo. Very simple. And this sound, it's like when you say in Spanish, yo. That's the same sound. Okay. Let's do a preview of what you're going to do for the homework. What word do you hear? ¿Qué palabra escucha usted? If I say the word yes, what word do you hear? Okay. If you were thinking about this word, that is not correct. If I say Jess, I'm probably talking to someone whose name is Jessica, and I'm just making it shorter. If I say the word yes, then it's this word. Okay, so that is a very basic, very important difference. When we say the letter Y, we're not going to confuse this and this. Okay, fine. Do you like ice cream? Yes. What's your name? Oh, my name is Jess. That's the difference. Another mistake that I always hear that is very common is with the colors. When people are talking about red, blue, and they say jello, that is a big mistake. We don't say jello because jello it's this gelatina, jello. That's jello. But if you say, what's your favorite color? Okay, my favorite color is yellow. That's a big difference. So if you go to the United States and you say, for example, okay, what's your favorite color? Never say jello. This is food. This is a color. Okay, so the colors, you have to keep them in mind. It's very different. Okay, so we're gonna do this exercise together. I want you to listen and repeat each word as I say it in the video. You have the pronunciation here, like how you would say it. And we have the translation, okay? These transcripts are just to give you an idea, okay, of how you're going to say it. The important thing is that you notice the difference in the first sound, in the first phoneme. Okay, so repeat after me. This is yet, and this is jet. Yet, jet. Okay. I haven't done my homework yet. Okay. No he hecho mi tarea aún. And if I say, oh, that's a very fast jet. Okay, es un avión grande o muy rápido, perdón. Okay, let's continue. Yolk, yema de huevo. Joke, chiste o broma. Yam, patata. Otro le decimos camote. Jam, mermelada o jalea. Yay, like when you're happy. J, okay, this is the letter J. This is yay, J. Yacht, yate. Yacht, anotar o apuntar. One more time. Yacht, yacht. That's the difference. Don't be confused with the letter O here. The letter O sounds very similar here. Okay. Yell, gritar o chillar. Gel, gel o gelatina. Yes, sí. Jest, chiste o broma. Use, uso. Juice, jugo. You, tú o usted. Jew, judío. Yin, como el yin y el yang. Gin, okay, ginebra. So your homework is going to be very easy. I want you to practice. We have 5 pairs here, and this is how you're going to do your homework. You're going to send me an audio saying the following words. Use, juice, yes, yes, yum, jam, you, Jew, yet, jet. That is all your homework, okay? Now let's review a little bit in Spanish to make sure everything is fine. Okay. Estamos en esta clase de phonics porque siempre quiero ir incluyendo algunas cositas que vemos en clase, por lo menos una vez a la semana. Ok, no confundir el sonido de yet con el de jet. Aquí los tenemos representados de esta forma. Este es este y este sonido es este. No me interesa tanto que se aprenda la nomenclatura, que se memorice esto. Lo que me interesa es que sepa que si yo digo jet, la palabra que estoy diciendo es esta. Si yo digo yet, es esta. Si tiene dudas, bueno, la Y siempre va a sonar como una I de hielo. Yeah. Y esta otra, la J en inglés, siempre va a sonar como cuando yo digo yo. Hay como una fuerza, una explosión al momento de decirlo. ¿Qué palabra escucha? Yes, sí, yes, nombre de alguien. Yellow, gelatina, de unas que vienen así, chiquititas. Yellow, el color amarillo. Esto de los pares mínimos se lo voy diciendo uno por uno, ¿verdad? Eso ya lo dije en inglés, por eso no me interesa tanto repetirlo acá. Lo que sí me interesa es que usted repita las veces que sea necesario para que en la tarea usted me diga, ok, aquí, bueno, este es uso, no es tanto uso. Usted me va a ir repitiendo estos pares, así como se los puse yo. Y bien importante que cuando mande su audio, usted exagere un poquito cuando esté haciendo el sonido de la J, ¿verdad? Aquí no hay problema, perdón, con el sonido de la Y, Y usted dirá, mister, pero ahí en esta no tiene Y. Ok, no tiene Y, pero la U suena como you, use. Hay un sonido ahí con otra escritura. Use, ok. Use, ok, de usar. Juice, de jugo. Yes, sí. Yes, de hombre. Yam, camote. Jam, jalea. You, de tú. Jew, ok, el judío. Yet, todavía, o jet, avión. Bueno, para repetir, así, me mando un audio. Hola, Mr. Soy fulano. Y eso es todo. Ok, chicos, me haya gustado la clase. Eso es todo.